Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Sanford, Florida, a city located on the southern shore of Lake Monroe in east central Florida. Sanford is approximately 20 miles northeast of Orlando. It was originally inhabited by the Mayaka and Jororo tribes. In 1836, during the Seminole Wars, the U.S. Army established Camp Monroe here, which was later renamed Fort Mellon. A trading post called Mellonville developed nearby, becoming a distribution point for goods essential to Central Florida's growth. In 1870, Henry Shelton Sanford, a former U.S. minister to Belgium, purchased land west of Mellonville to establish a citrus hub. He laid out the community of Sanford, envisioning it as the gateway city to South Florida. Sanford's location on Lake Monroe and the St. Johns River made it a transportation center, especially with the advent of commercial steamboat service. The city became a hub for rail transportation in the 1880s, further boosting its significance in trade. In the late 19th century, Sanford was a major citrus producer. After the Great Freeze of 1894 devastated the citrus industry, farmers diversified into vegetable cultivation, notably celery, earning Sanford the nickname, Celery City. Today, Sanford is known for its historic downtown, featuring brick-lined streets, Victorian-era architecture, and a scenic waterfront along Lake Monroe. The city offers a blend of history, culture, and natural beauty, making it a unique destination in Central Florida.
watching.